This episode of The Modern Rogue brought to you by NordVPN. Head on over to nordvpn.com/rogue. Spell it right, R-O-G-U-E. And when you sign up for 2 years, you'll get anywhere from 4 months to a full year free. My fellow rogues, we have committed a grave injustice. Jason Murphy was a hero for bringing this beautiful Honda Civic here on property. We treated her very poorly, and yet she never had a name. So right now, in the comments, I want you to give this blessed beast a name, and we're gonna figure out what comes next. Do you remember how beautiful she looked at first? The first thing we've already done right is that we're kind of on a hill, slanted down.
A little bit, yeah.
Right, and then, but I mean, well, I don't know, this is kind of slidey.
I didn't clean it, I didn't wax it.
I mean, I kind of, yeah. It feels,
It was a good start.
I definitely dented it. Is it a speed thing, you think?
Give a few steps
All right,
back.
all right. Ah! Sexy. Okay, all right, here, you give it a try.
All right. Oh, God. Watch out for those things. Those suck.
Did you, what? Okay, what? First of all, it was less of a slide and more
was
like
it?
a bounce. You can see the dent
just belly
right there in the
flop?
middle.
Oh.
I mean, at first it wasn't so bad. Sure, it's an indignity to get grease all over your hood, but that's Hollywood, baby. We were making magic. Really got worse from there. I'm gonna pick my favorite of these, the best contender.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do my best Murphy impression. I know I don't have the half-ass. Here we go, here we go.
Not everyone does.
Not so much.
Oh, wow. All right.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Not so much. All right, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh, wow. Okay. Not expected. Oh! Oh! Satisfying.
That is very satisfying.
Right?
Dude, it's like everything crystallized and now, here, put that on, do it, it's amazing.
Oh, man. You can just see that one tiny impact point spiderwebbed through the whole thing.
That's so good.
And now it's just giving like nothing.
So what is the difference between these side windows and the front and the back? It makes sense that you want it to shatter so that you could get people out. You probably don't want that on the front and back.
Yeah, these are really fragile, but you wouldn't want your windshield to be like that. A rock comes flying down the highway and is gonna shatter that.
No, yeah, you would want to be somewhat protected.
But it is laminated, and so...
Let's see what happens. Let's see what
Let's do it.
happens. Yeah.
First, we need some more ammo.
Okay, wait, here, I'll block it. There you go. Whip, hold on.
I have lost all of our ammo.
That's what I was afraid of. Oh, here's ammo. I found some ammo. I think there's some ammo over here. Oh.
Okay, we got some pieces.
All right,
I think
we
this
get
will,
enough.
I think this will work.
You want to give it a try?
Yeah. Okay, now we know that this won't work, right?
I think this might be the same type of glass, just with a laminate on there. So what I would hope is that it would shatter, but stay like taped together.
Yeah, needless to say, it is not going to be as effective as that. You want to just try it from there?
Yeah, sure. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Front window test in 3, 2, 1.
Huh, okay. Well, look, it looks like a rock hit your windshield.
It did.
Yeah.
So
but
it
did
didn't
not
propagate the way the other one did.
spider web like the other one.
Here,
So-
let me try it again. Front windshield test, take 2. Wow,
Another.
every time it's
Yeah.
cracking it.
Yeah. I guess it's that laminate that's protecting it.
Yeah, it's like it's not taking the bait. Same thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
For Asgard! Pause, get a thumbnail. That's amazing. So you can see, like, it's still propagated,
Oh.
but that laminate really keeps everything locked in.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, and you
yeah,
can see how
look at all that.
that kind of a gooey texture in there, holding it all together.
Here's the question, how far away? Can we do like a Dude Perfect thing and shatter a window from like 40 feet away?
I think we're obligated to try it. More breaking stuff.
The ultimate three-point line challenge to shatter a window.
I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, maybe it'll work. Didn't even hit it.
Oh.
Also did not hit it.
Oh, come on. Last one. We got to make this work. Ready? Together. 3, 2, 1. Nope.
Nope.
We both
Hang on.
missed.
Hang on, right there, right there.
Do you have another? What? No. Okay. Yeah.
You want to do it?
I
I think you should do
it's a
it.
bad idea.
I think you should
It's
do
a bad
it.
idea.
Yeah, it is.
I think you should do it.
You think
this is a very Jason Murphy thing to do.
I don't know if I'll be able to hit
Close
it.
enough. Close enough.
All right. God, I wish it had a thong on it where I could. All right.
Let me try. Let me try.
Little low.
Let me try. All right, here we go.
You got it.
Yeah! Yeah! All right, that's pretty bad, but nothing like the indignity of the stickers we put on this beautiful, what is her name? I want to know her name. Also, I'm thinking of carving her up for battle armor, post-apocalypse style.
I just want you to take a look at this, what we have presented for you, and figure out what thieves will glean from all of these stickers.
First of all, the Apple sticker, I assume, from a thief's perspective, means has money. Upscale devices, not afraid to pay for premium stuff, probably good loot, better target.
Yes, exactly. These aren't just iPhones. If you've got a sticker on here, you've probably got a MacBook or something like that.
Oh, of course. So if they see this and they see a backpack, they could put two and two together pretty quickly.
Right. All right, what else?
The baby on board stuff. Number one, count on your fingers the number of times you have ever been driving recklessly, seen this baby on board and thought, whoa, I have to rethink some of my driving choices.
I just see opportunity.
Right?
So what you're looking at here, this tells you that, okay, let's say you're a thief and you've got a family in this car that you're following around. You see 2 baby on board signs. You know that the people in this car are gonna have their hands full when you come stick them up.
Ooh, okay, got it. So let's say you're at a parking lot and somebody's coming out with their hands full of groceries or whatever, and they're managing all the kids. Like, this is the honeypot where you run up and grab their groceries, or maybe even say, oh, excuse me, here, can I help you with that? Grab them, and they're just...
Exactly. This tells you that they're going to be occupied, that there are 2 infants that they have their hands full with.
Brilliant.
What does this tell you?
They got a lot of kids. Why? Oh, whoa.
Yeah, there's a story
There
here.
is a story here. This used to be a happy family. This is amazing. This reads as, I'm sure to the person who put them up, as I am an independent woman who's managing a very large household. I'm working very hard. My husband is a jerk who left me. What about the cat?
He took the cat.
Oh, yeah, he took the cat. So,
She is smiling. She got all of this.
right, and he
got the
only-
cat.
Got it. So what would that say in terms of what would be in the car? Or I guess it would say a little something about what you'll find if you follow this car home.
Exactly. This guy probably won't be here, but this
Oh,
woman
shoot.
with her kids will.
Ooh.
And you should note that they have a dog.
I thought that was a pig. So in other words, at the right hours of the day, you're gonna find a very distracted family. They're literally describing their security system.
A guard pig.
That's
Yes.
amazing.
Okay, before we move on, what does this tell you?
That somebody should be a subscriber to the Modern Rogue because any kind of comic book tribal stuff, that means they're going to be of a certain age demographic. They're going to be internet savvy, most likely.
Or if this was not fictional and was an actual school sticker,
Okay.
you know where these kids go to school.
Oh, that's creepy.
And that they also have powers.
That's,
I mean,
well, actually, actually, if that was a real school and they had that many mutant kids, then you would want to go hang out with this guy.
Yeah, I feel a great swell of pity for whoever comes to this home looking for trouble. Okay, now let's move on to the actual bumper and trunk area. What do you see here? Let's say that that's a real place.
Right, now we're looking at somebody who works in the tech business, somebody who, that probably connotes some level of income. I don't know what it says about what they'll have on them.
What you're supposed to take away from this, and let's say that it wasn't really, a fictional company.
Yep.
This is just telling you where they're at during the day and where they work.
And if you see them there at that time, then most likely it's gonna be the same time every single day, which means if you follow them home, now you know when their house is being left unguarded.
So far, we've got a pretty good picture painted of the
target,
family.
yeah.
Right. Now, what does that tell you?
Oh no!
Yeah.
It says proud Yorkie mom, which means the security system, that is the dog, don't even count.
It's basically a ferret.
Yeah, well, it's basically a free point, a 3-point goal.
Oh, God. Yes. And so, yeah, okay, they do have a dog. Oh, but it's a Yorkie.
Oh,
We're not worried.
Now I'm finishing the rest of the story. Army ex-wife. So again, he's not there most likely.
Yeah, even if they were married, he would probably be deployed somewhere, right?
Now, what does the dirt bike convey?
This, our last thing on here, is much like the Apple sticker. This tells you about their hobbies.
Got it.
Dirt biking. What does dirt biking tell you? Expensive toys in the garage.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, they got money. So yeah, this is somebody you want to follow home. Maybe we melt her down and then donate the scrap liquid metal to charity. Orphans could use that, right? I do know that we for sure should not have stabbed her that way. Test the stab.
Here it is.
You didn't think it was gonna go through. Also, I think we shattered a window.
Yeah, there was definitely a window involved.
Forgot the window was rolled
It
down.
looks like a bullet hole. Oh,
Do it again, both of you guys. It gets stuck. Swiss cheese. Starting to feel like work. Oh, okay. We've done the stabbing. Feel like we gotta do the bashing. Just gonna do one.
okay.
Here we go.
Give us a good bash.
3, 2, 1.
An effective improvised weapon. My favorite.
Yeah, I should probably hand this over to literally anyone who is not me right now.
Are you okay?
Oh no, I'm a changed man. I now have felt raw power from these hands.
I knocked the ornament
Now
off.
that was tasty. Oh! That was amazing! Oh my God, the antenna is still here. This is a valuable artifact. And in fact, here, let me point some things out to you. When I see holes like this, and holes like this is fun, by the way. Holes, it makes me think of the holes in your security and how you can keep them plugged with our friends over at NordVPN. That's right, unlike this horrific display of a lack of security, no windows, no top of the roof, the important thing is that NordVPN closes the door on your privacy. Where you go on the internet is your business and nobody else's. This is great. It's like a lightsaber. but it's an antenna. Head on over to nordvpn.com/rogue. Sign up for 2 years and you can get anywhere from 4 months to a full year free. I fell in love with Nord because it's so dang easy. It loads up automatically. I can press pause whenever I want if some bank is being fussy about a VPN. And most importantly, it is fast, fast, fast. They have servers all over the planet and located in a little place called Panama. No extradition in Panama. That may have implicated myself, and I regret saying that. Come here, this is important. See how there is nothing in the trunk of this vehicle? That's how it is with Nord. They don't keep logs. See any logs in there? Nope. This is a virtual NordVPN mobile. A virtual private network. A virtual, what if we virtualize this car? It would be a virtual private network. Now, some of you out there are saying, why do I need a VPN? After all, the security is encrypted. I see the little lock on my browser. Yes, that means nobody knows what you're doing on the website, but everybody knows what websites you're going to. And even if you're not going to any bad websites or anything you're ashamed of, in which case, congratulations, you're living your best life. Somebody at some point is going to use your internet, and you don't want to be on the hook for whatever they're up to. Get yourself NordVPN. Head on over to nordvpn.com/rogue. Sign up for 2 years. Get anywhere from 4 months to a full year absolutely free. They're celebrating their birthday, and today is the birth of your privacy. Anyway, we melted the car.
Modern Rogue is supported in part by viewers like you at patreon.com/modernrogue. In the description, you can find all of our credits and additional ways to support the show.
Seats are pretty secure. Just gonna stand on the emergency brake.
There you go. It's ratchet.
This is Hey, there was an antenna the whole time.
Wow.
Now that's a piece of history. We gotta hold on to that.
All right, now climb out of there without getting tetanus.